What would you say was the most helpful piece of advice that ecom degree gave you?
I think the advice that kind of helped me the most was that specific piece. What I mentioned earlier was understanding my why, remembering my why, and I think that's one of the modules that even Will talked about too.
Mhm.
And honestly, like I never really thought about my why. I've always thought about things that I want to do, things I want to achieve, like my family, helping support them as best as I can, and just other parts of stuff. But I never really understood my why. I guess I never really asked myself that, so I didn't get it. But I think understanding my why was a very important piece into it because it kind of helped me put me back in place whenever I was like slacking off or whenever I was like catching myself getting a little lazy. It was just remembering that why. Like, okay, like I can't be messing around. Like I have to get back to it. So I think that was a very important piece to consistently remind myself. And yeah, I mean, it still helps me to this day.
Absolutely. I feel like a lot of people tend to overlook their why. They're kind of just focused on the money. As soon as things get tough, you have to go back to that module and figure out what your why is, figure out why you're staying up all night working towards a life, towards a better life for you and your family.